How does Temu coupon bundle work? So I tried figuring out how Temu's coupon bundle works. And here's what I found. When you unlock a coupon bundle, usually from app pop-ups, referrals, or special promos, you're not getting one giant discount. Instead, you're getting multiple smaller coupons, like $10 off $100 or $20 off $200. And they're often only valid for 24 to 48 hours. These coupons have spending minimum and sometimes apply only to certain categories. You have to hit those minimums separately to use each one, and you can't combine them in one go. It looks like you're getting $300 off, but really, it's broken into chunks. To redeem them, just go to your profile or the coupons and offers section, tap claim bundle, then apply them individually during checkout when you hit the required amount. It can be useful if you're already planning a big haul, but if you're just casually shopping, it's more of a marketing trick